How to buy and send Bitcoin on Cash App. So if you want to buy and send Bitcoin using Cash App, follow these easy steps. Step number one, open the Cash App. So tap on the Cash App icon on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, go to Bitcoin, tap on bank icon and all your balance of the bottom, scroll down and select Bitcoin. After that, buy Bitcoin. So tap on buy and enter how much Bitcoin you want to buy and tap next. Review the details and confirm by entering your PIN or using the Face ID. And after that, now you can now be your own Bitcoin in your Cash App wallet. After that, send the Bitcoin. So to send the Bitcoin, go back to Bitcoin section and tap send Bitcoin or withdraw Bitcoin. After that, enter the amount and wallet address. Type how much Bitcoin you want to send, paste the Bitcoin wallet address or scan the QR code. And be careful, if you send Bitcoin to the wrong address, you cannot get it back. And after that, confirm and send. So tap confirm and enter your PIN or use Face ID, and Bitcoin transaction take a few minutes to a few hours to complete. And that's it. Now you know how to buy and send Bitcoin on Cash App. So this is how to buy and send Bitcoin on Cash App. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.